Hello everyone, my name is Julian Showalter from Takachiho America, and I'm here to present to you the Filstar. The Filstar is a filtration unit with 3-block technology that is designed to work with CNC machines, lathe machines, any sorts of grinding machines that have contamination with the coolant. Here, in what we're representing as your well with a gallon of water here, and with this here, silicone, to represent contamination from your machines. As you can see, I now have contaminated the well, and we'll turn on the machine. Now, as you can see, in about 30 seconds, this gallon of water with silicone contamination has been pretty much purified. At the 10 micron size level, the Filstar can remove 98.6% of contamination. Our competitors don't even come close. Typically, with the best cyclone filter that we found on the market, we found that they can remove about 64.2%. It's not even close. So, if you turn your attention down here, you'll notice this green lever. Now this is a manual type for releasing our contamination, like so. As you can see, all of the silicone, 98.6% of it anyway, has been collected. Now, if you'll turn your attention to this diagram, this represents the two most popular and most recommended ways of installing the Filstar. Here you can see your grinding machine dropping large contamination, and we recommend using a conveyor belt to remove the large contamination because the Filstar can only work with 2 to 3 millimeter contamination due to its design. But as you can see, this contaminated tank is being sucked up by this pump here, which we can recommend to you, which one works best for your machines, into the Filstar, and here comes the clean coolant. Now, it gets cycled back to your machine, increasing efficiency. But if you take a look here, if this is the type of setup that you have with a 1-tank coolant, it's pretty much the same idea, except not quite as efficient. The machine still drops the contamination onto the conveyor belt, which is removed to the wastebasket. But here, you'll notice that with the pump and the Filstar, this is what's known as an out-of-line installation, because it's out of the line, but it's still filtering the water back into the same tank, thus reducing the contamination greatly. This is actually what we call an automatic type. This is a drain cup. Now this can actually be affixated to the bottom of the Filstar to increase optimization. These come in 300, 600, and 900 milliliter sizes. And if you're thinking that's where it stops, it actually doesn't. This can also be affixated with an automatic timer, hence the automatic's design, which you can set depending on your contamination and your flow rate to increase the optimal production. My name is Julian Showalter, and this has been a brief presentation on the Filstar.